Welcome to a stunning new subdivision called Stonebrook, built by Level 1 builder New Valley Homes. This is our 6-bedroom, you heard me, 6-bedroom home, 1,900 square feet. Through the front door, under the stair storage there, coat closet, and the first out of the 3 full bathrooms, no powder rooms in this house. Quartz countertops, black fixtures, black trim, really beautiful. Very well designed. Now as we turn the corner, we'll go into the first of the 6 bedrooms. It is in the middle of getting staged, so mind all of the pictures. But when we look through the window, we can see a beautiful stained cedar fence, not necessarily you see in these new subdivisions, and it just speaks to the quality of the builder. You got a closet in there. And we're gonna head into the main living space. Great little dining area. You can see the living room off the back and a nice open concept kitchen. You've got an island for 2 seats there, black fixtures, stainless steel appliances, and what I'm really liking in these new developments is the 2-toned kitchen. You got cabinets on a different color up top and then white down below. Really breaks it up, and it's a nice change from what we've been seeing. We're gonna flip around. We're gonna have a look at the living room here, and then we're gonna head into the backyard. Now you can notice with this backyard, there's a little bit difference of the fence here. That's because you are on the outside of the subdivision, and it's a really beautiful drive coming in. Got a little patch of grass there and a great patio. Swing by quickly here. Right there, you can notice that this home is hooked up with natural gas, so that's a great little bib for your barbecue. Upstairs we go into the laundry area. Great size, got a bench, you've got a separate sink. These homes have been very well designed for the amount of space that there was in them. Heading into the primary bedroom, great size. You can see heat pump up top. You got one in the dining room. Accent wall gives it a nice feel, great texture. We'll flip around, we'll have a look at the 2 closets. You got partner closets here. If it was my wife buying this house, these would both be hers, and I would be somewhere in the other bedrooms. Heading into the ensuite bathroom, partner sinks, black fixtures, black faucets, quartz countertops here. You got your own separate large soaker tub and a great stand-up shower. And heading down the hallway, this is technically bedroom number 3. You'll notice that all of the windows also come with blinds. Again, not necessarily something that you're seeing in these new builds. Here is your 3rd bathroom, again, with the theme, black faucets, black fixtures, very well designed, pretty much the same as the one downstairs. We'll head into the 4th bedroom. This one's got a little bit of a smaller closet. So what the builder was thinking, and same with the 6th bedroom, it's a little bit smaller. The 5th bedroom here, you'll see, is a great size. We've got a double bed in there just to show kind of how it fits. But essentially with that 4th and that 6th bedroom, the builder was thinking it'd be more of office space, whether you have the parents that are working from home with a few kids. But again, really well thought. These do come with a 2-5-10 warranty as well, so you are fully covered with any concerns you may have.